Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I hope that you're doing really well. I'm so sorry if I look very vacant and like spaced out. I had the worst night's sleep ever yesterday. I feel rubbish, but I really want to get this ensuite done. Last night I managed to have a shower in there because I waterproofed the tray, which was amazing. It's such a nice shower. I can't believe we haven't been using it since we moved in, but all is well. Today the mission is to get a mirror cabinet on the wall. So I sent Rob out this morning to go and pick up this wall cabinet. This is from the range and it was one of the better priced ones that I could find. They are so expensive. Who told mirror cabinets to be this expensive? I don't know, but just so that we can store things. I've got a lot of skincare, a lot of body care that I like to use, and I just want to make the space feel quite nice because I always feel like a bathroom or an ensuite is quite an important place to start your day. So it's only fitting that it's kind of like a nice clean uplifting space. So yeah, let's get this mirrored cabinet on the wall. Just in case you're wondering, this is the cabinet that I was talking about from the range. So in case you want to get that, that's what that looks like. The space above the sink is quite vacant and it just looks very empty. We're going to be putting that up. Okay, I'm just trying something. I'm using some masking tape. I've seen this hack online before, and you use it to line up your bits where you're gonna punch your holes, and then you take what do you call it, a pen, and you just mark where you're actually gonna physically put the holes. So then hopefully now if I peel this off and put it up on there square, I can just, you know, drill the holes and that'll match up perfectly. So fingers crossed it works. Okay, first time measuring with the tape didn't work. After measuring, putting this on the wall, using my detector, I found pipes behind, so I'm gonna have to do it again. I took the doors off so it's easier to hold this time on my own. There. Guys, Rob has been upstairs trying to drill into the tile for an hour and a half. It's not working. So I've come downstairs to make us some food because it's literally gotten dark outside. So big thank you to today's sponsor, HelloFresh, for sponsoring this portion of the video. I'm sure you already know, you've already heard about them, they're so popular, but if you haven't, then HelloFresh is the UK's first and #1 recipe box delivery service, and it's now in 14 countries across 3 continents. You get pre-portioned ingredients, step-by-step recipe cards, and it's all delivered to your doorstep. Personally, for us, it's really helpful when we're deep into project and renovation. I, for one, do not look after myself when it comes to me doing projects. I get super stressed thinking about only the project. You know how stressed I get with my projects. I just love HelloFresh, knowing that I've got all of my meals for the week in the fridge. There's never any food waste either because they pre-portion your ingredients, so you've got just what you need to make your meals. I think they have like 37 recipes to choose from, loads of different cuisines, and if you need dietary requirements too, they've got you sorted on that front. They also do under 20-minute meals, so like if you're someone that's like go rapid, they've got you. You can even skip a week or change your delivery date if you need to. It's just so flexible, it always works around your schedule. So use my code to get yourself a discount. I'll also leave all the details in the description box for you as well. And a massive thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring this portion of the video. So the meals I've got this week are, I've put my other cards away. We've got spiced chicken and pepper stew. We've got teriyaki sriracha salmon and ginger rice bowl. That is a bit of me. If you know me, salmon is my favourite thing in the world. I picked these up for Rob. These are honey drizzled bacon wrapped halloumis. But I'm thinking we might do that another night. And then we've got spiced lamb Kathy style rolls, which I thought we'd do that alongside the halloumi for Rob. So I'm feeling, you know what, I've had a lot of salmon this week. I'm feeling the spiced chicken pepper stew. I'm gonna go and whip this up. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. We can do a taste test because I've never tried this one, and I'll even try and make it look like the picture too. Oh my god, guys, before I start, has anyone seen that trick on TikTok? You're apparently meant to like pierce in there, and it's okay. That didn't work. I will be cutting my garlic cloves the normal way from now on. Oh man, that would have been so good. We got London on the track. I should've known better. excited. And it smells so good. Wait, have I even shown you how it looks? Look at that. I tasted a little bit of the rice because I did a taste test just to make sure it's cooked through. And also the instructions and measurements they give you for the cooking the rice in a pot is perfect, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm definitely a rice cooker like machine sort of girl. We're gonna dig in, let's do a little tasty test. That garlic rice, that is so nice. That garlic rice was so tasty. Oh, and the sour cream. I'm not normally a sour cream girl. I thought, let's just do it. HelloFresh never misses. I'm gonna sit myself down, eat this. I'm gonna come up with a plan for tomorrow to see how we can just get everything done in a couple of hours just to make the ensuite look good, because I'm over it.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi Vanessa.
I didn't know you were recording.
We're going to go to B&M because Ness is going to help me pick out some bits for the ensuite. She showered in the ensuite today. Sorry, should I say that?
It will.
Is that too much?
What, that I showered?
No, like...
I shower, guys. I did shower and it was nice and warm.
Did you enjoy the shower? Was it good?
I had a wonderful time in the
It was
shower.
much better than the other one, isn't it?
Yeah.
You don't have a fear of like flooding the bathroom.
Yeah.
And it actually feels quite new. I feel like it does anyway since I've like resealed it all.
It's a nice bathroom.
Yeah, and it's actually got an extractor fan and it's got nice tiles, blah blah blah. So what I want to do today is get some final touching bits, and I also really want to get some like storage, like some shelves and stuff for it, just so I can put all of my skincare, beauty bits, and like cleaning products for the bathroom. So we're going to go to B&M and the Range and see what we can find.
Why am I so awkward? I'm like... Not that, these ones.
Yeah, that looks nice and soft. Right, do you think I should just grab these two, but it means I have to drill? But I like the look of them.
Yeah, I do like them.
I'm going to pick these up for now because, wait, how do you put them in?
And this is good. This does look like
It is
Joseph
good,
and
isn't
Joseph.
it? Yeah, look, this looks like Joseph and Joseph. £3.50 from B&M.
Size you red?
It is, literally. But the only thing is, I don't know where I would put this other than the windowsill. And am I going to be going over the windowsill to get stuff?
How narrow or wide is your cupboard? Would it fit? You wouldn't fit in your cupboard, would it? Also, what would be the point in putting it in your cupboard?
Because what is this for, really and truly?
What about your other bathroom? Mind you, that's not what you're doing today.
No. I feel like it's so good though.
It is
I can come back for it if I feel it. I need it later on. Right, I'm going to grab these. Should I grab these?
To put your skincare on.
Yeah.
You
See, I don't have any surface area to put stuff on. That's the only thing. Oh look, this is a small one. Small soap dish that you could maybe put.
But do you use bar soap?
No, we don't.
Heads up.
I prefer the other one.
Very fresh.
That one doesn't have much of a smell. The other one's more lemony.
And then I'm going to get these. I used to always get their pomegranate range and I forgot. But I just really like it.
That's nice. That's the one I've got. The crackle one.
Yeah,
B&M haul, everything that we got. Some of this is Ness's, so this is Ness's. She picked up the Escape Mandarin, Lemon and Pink Grapefruit diffuser. This is my plan. I got some new cotton rounds and some wide cotton pads. I've never had these before, they look massive. These will be good for taking off makeup with micellar water. So I picked up those to stock up. And then I also picked up a new soap dispenser and a toothbrush holder, and I've now realised I did not pick up any soap for said soap dispenser. And also these get scratched really easily. See, I'm gonna have to take these back because they've already gotten like stain on them. I think it's where they like touched other things in the bag. They've gone all like funny. This little tray, so you can put whatever you like in there, soap, sponges and stuff, but my idea was I'm gonna wash these. These were £3.50 and the tray was £4. I'm gonna wash these face cloths and I'm gonna roll them up and put them in here so that they're always readily available for me to wash my face every single night, and then I'll chuck them in the wash once a week. So I've got a new face cloth every single night because basically it always gets makeup stained on it, but it's a good way to take off your skincare with like a melting balm. And that'll be just on the windowsill. I picked up these 2 jars. These were £2.50 each. They've got like a ribbed effect. Hand towel rail and a toilet roll holder. This is a hanging bathroom caddy for inside the shower, but it comes with some suckers to put like your shampoos, conditioners, body washes and stuff. I like the look of this. The only thing is, I know these get rusty quite easily, and I don't think that this will hang properly on our type of shower because this little hook bit here isn't wide enough to hook on. So I bought it just in case, but I think this one might be a return job. because I actually picked up this thing. 3-shelf tension bathroom caddy. I'm going to put this in the shower. This was £20, but I'm hoping that this gives me the effect that I want and I can put all of my products nicely in the bathroom. So let's go set it up and make the bathroom look cozy. So, I've just put it off.
Oh shit.
It's very big. It is huge. There's a lot of tension going on. A lot of tension.
I think we put this in place first. You just put that there and then just push it against the roof, right?
Oh, you're clever.
You've got so much storage in that, that's actually massive.
I'm actually scared of it though.
There we go.
Yeah.
No, there's so much tension going up, it's not just going to fall sideways, is it?
But if it accidentally got knocked or something. Oh my god, that's terrifying.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
Scary, do you know what I mean?
Because it's like semi-bent, but...
I'm just going to take it down. Don't feel safe. Oh well.
What's it doing?
I'll just buy the shelves. The next thing I'm going to try is this hanging one. So that at least temporarily we can hang some stuff. I think that could work, but the only thing is this is going to be really annoying. The only other thing we could do is hang it off the side and then suction it down so it moves with the door. I might do that. Guys, we're finished the ensuite mini makeover. I have fallen in love with this room. This is my favourite room in the house now. I want to show you how it looks after everything that we've done. Oh, I love it so much. I'm so happy that we took the effort and time to do this today. Okay, here is what it looks like now. So I don't know if you remember, but before there was a lot of vacant space above the sink, but now we've put a really good quality mirrored cabinet in place. This now holds so much of my makeup. And it's just really good quality. I don't know how to explain it. I mean, it was £80, so you expect it would be, but this houses a lot of my skincare now. This is the stuff that I go to reach for like every morning and every evening. I also have this toothbrush holder and a soap dispenser here, which I got from H&M last year. I was going to leave those in the main bathroom, but I was like, why? I bought some from B&M just now, which were so pretty, but I don't think they were made, they've not been glazed, so they kind of were getting stains on them, whereas these ones are glazed and I've never had any issues with them before. I feel like they add such a nice warmth to the room. We've got a cute little section here. I've just put some cotton buds in here for like taking off excess makeup, cleaning ears, etc. And then in this one I've got all of my, what do you call these? Cotton pads, the small ones. I pulled out a candle, which is so beautiful. It's probably not going to get lit in here because, well, maybe it will actually. If I'm having like a bit of a skincare moment, I might light it up. And there's definitely enough height on that window as well, so it's not going to cause any damage, but I love that. That's so cute. Down here, I just tried to dress this area a little bit better. Before, there was nothing here apart from some cleaning products. I've moved the Sephora sprays to the side. We've now hung our toilet roll holder, and then I've got a couple spare ones underneath, and then I've just put this olive tree that I bought from Yusk years ago inside a HomeSense planter. I wanted a real plant in here, but I didn't get round to buying one today, so I think that works though. I also went in and added this from B&M. I think this was £10, and it's a shower caddy. It's this really nice off-white cream colour. The showers are nice and deep, and obviously it's all open underneath, so all the water's going to drip off, so it's not going to end up, you know, clogging and causing loads of bacteria to harbour. I'm going to come back and add in my shampoo and conditioners, my body scrubs, but I'm not going to overdo it. But the sort of products that we reach for on a day-to-day, they're all going to be able to live in there. The fact that it's got these suction pads on the back means that it doesn't move, which is really nice. And then when I'm in the shower, so the shower will be on, I'll be stood in the middle somewhere, and then these will be all the way away from the shower, from the water spitting. So they're hopefully not going to get very wet anyway, so that shouldn't rust, and I'll be making sure to clean it, etc. much more often. I honestly am loving this room and how it has turned out. Around 100 to 110 pounds-ish, if my maths is done correctly quickly in my head, which I don't think is bad. A mini room makeover has made such a difference already to how I feel coming out of the bathroom. It's really nice to know that there's a place that we can get clean and actually feels clean and tidy. I don't know if that sounds really dramatic to say, but I feel like it actually will make a difference to my mental health going forward. Like knowing that we're gonna have all these projects, but we're gonna have such a nice ensuite to have a shower in and just like get clean, like wash off the day. Even tonight I'm excited to go and wash my hair because I know I'm going to be able to have a really nice shower. And yeah, I'm just buzzing. I'm really happy with that mini makeover. Also really appreciate all of your such lovely comments about you know, just do the room makeovers whenever, get out the content whenever. It's like up to me when I do it and stuff. You guys are so supportive. You have no idea how much that has actually helped me so much. I'm such a panicky poo, but yeah, that's really, really helped me. So I so appreciate all of your comments. I love you. I do. I love you. For the next video, I really want to start on the kitchen. The kitchen is driving me a little bit insane. It's fully functional and we're blessed to have such a lovely kitchen, but there are no drawers. Still no drawers, we haven't tackled that yet. There isn't really any organisation. I just want things to have a place. Like the utensils are still scattered in a bucket somewhere. You know, our knives are in a cupboard without drawers. The spices are just all over the place. I just want a little bit of, you know, organisation. It's funny because moving into the house, I kind of thought, right, everything's on a budget. Obviously, we're going to have some big makeovers to do, so we're not spending money. I'm definitely still sticking with that, but I don't want it to be at detriment to us and how we live our lifestyle in the house. So I think spending like a small amount of money on things that will help us get organised or make things look a little bit prettier. It doesn't mean that I've wasted money necessarily, as long as I'm not kind of going over the top with everything pretty when I know that we're going to end up ripping out the rooms and changing how things look down the line. It makes sense to me. I'm obviously going to still work towards the budget because that's just the sort of person that I am, but I don't want us to miss out on having like a nice home and enjoying our home just for the sake of saving a few pennies for now. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but basically we're going to go to IKEA next week. I want to make a start on the kitchen, so one thing that I need to do in the next day or two is research how to put those drawers into the kitchen cupboard. Like it shouldn't be too difficult, but I think they're quite expensive. I remember doing some research, I think when we first found the drawers, and I'm pretty sure the inserts are like £100 and something alone, which is extortionate to me. But if it means that we've got kitchen drawers and I've got a kitchen that works how I'm used to a kitchen working, I'm happy to spend that little bit of money. But I hope you like the mini room makeover. I for one really do. I seriously love it so much. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff. Hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, whatever time that you're watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Take care guys, bye. Mwah.